to everybody. We're gonna take the Shelby to a car meet this morning. I usually don't be up this early on Sunday, but there's a car meet. I feel like cruising it out. I think we got some rain next week, so I always try to take the car out before it rains because usually I don't drive the car at all. That little X-pipe definitely made a big difference, man. This thing's a lot louder. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it sounds a lot better than what it did. Oh yeah, see the downshift. Oh yeah. Woo-wee. Downshift under the bridge. Oh yeah, cool. So far, me looking pretty dope. Pretty badass truck set up here. C10 Classic. They made me park up front. They said my car was too clean to park in the back. Knowing me, I always like to park in the back, but they had me park up front. So we got the vet crew. I used to be part of these boys. I'm surprised we don't got only one C7, but we got more C8s than anything over here. Got the Impala. Looking good. Every time I see cars like this, it just made me want to put my arm out the window and hit some switches. This thing's nice. SS as well. Tire rock. Oh, GTR. Got two ETRs. It's not too much out here. We got the Mopar boys over there in the corner. See a couple Hellcats. I kind of wish my GT500 was the color of that Mustang over there. I don't know. I kind of like the red. We got a little video shoot of the GT500 going on over here. Looking good. Okay, okay. There's a manual too. This interior is dope. I don't know how I feel about the wheels though, but the rest of the truck is fucking dope. I wanted to take a moment to shout out to our sponsor for today, maxpeedingrods.com. If you guys haven't checked them out, go check them out immediately. They have car parts, tools, everything you need for any car. So they actually sent me this heater that's a new product. They have a line of generators, tools, accessories, gaskets, bolts, anything you may need. Just go on there and search on the site. You might find what you need for the car. It's gonna be on their site that they're actually selling. This thing's crazy. It has a remote. I haven't seen a heater with a remote. And this thing's gonna blast some heat because I believe it uses diesel fuel as well. You can actually put this in your garage as you're working on your car, because I know one thing with me, when it's cold, I hate working on my cars because it's cold. I don't like being outside when it's cold. So this heater can make a big difference. Put it in your garage. You can put it in your house. It has all these little ventilation systems and stuff like that that you can add to the back of it to vent it out, so you know that you don't suffocate and die in your damn house. So if you guys are interested in this heater, it's actually on this site as well. Generators, tools, everything. Check out maxpeedingrods.com. Use my code HTNERD, 15% off, man. Appreciate you. All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna go ahead and head out because this weather is not looking too good right now. It's starting to get a little windy, and it's real cloudy. I don't ever have my cars out in the rain, so if it starts raining, especially in this type of car, I'm good. It says it's not supposed to rain till like 7 or something, but I'm just gonna play it safe. And there's supposed to be a gun show today, I think, this weekend. I need to go there and try to look for some attachments for the glizzy Glock, you know what I'm saying? I need to look for either a flashlight or a tack light or something like that, a tack on the bottom of it. Leaving the gun show, picked up the conversion kit for the Glock. I just picked up a new Glock 19 a little bit ago, and I've been wanting one of these conversion kits for a while. I actually picked this one up all optioned out as well. So I did go ahead with the iron sights, the swivel kit, the thumb grips, the O-light, everything on it. So might get to try this thing out. If you guys want to see a gun day, range day, I might end up putting that on there because I got a couple shotguns that I want to show you guys too as well. So we got the MCK, just picked this up from my Glock 19. The grouping is pretty good. So I've already shot a couple shots down here. The grouping for this is fucking crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some rounds down. Target. Every single shot in there, in the brain. We got like 2 little stragglers at the corner, you know, might skin his forehead, but everything else in there. So this is the Glock 19 that I just picked up, that was in the MCK. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot these little rounds through it just with the gun by itself. And, show you guys how this goes. Out of there, boy. Out of there. That's how you do it, boy. You know what I'm saying? You don't hurt the nerd. Got those skills at the range, you know. As requested, a new episode of Marketplace Madness. If you don't know what Marketplace Madness is, we go on the marketplace, or I save some stuff, and it's got either crazy pricing, some weird shit on there, or the seller is just absurd. We're not here to just talk shit about people. We're not here to down talk people. It's just some crazy stuff that's on the market. If you guys want to send me stuff, you can just send it to my Instagram. If you got some marketplace stuff that y'all come across, send it to my Instagram. If you see anything on there, send it to my Facebook if you're on there, and I can react to it on here. If you see a post that starts off with a long ass description like this and it says read the description before messaging me, it's either a bad deal or the motherfucker is too damn high. So don't even go ahead and click off that if you already see that right there. And let me go ahead and give y'all the seller tips, man. If the post says DM me, PM me, message me for price, go ahead and click off of it anyways. It's gonna be too damn high. And then as I'm like scrolling through reading this, he's already describing this car as it just came off the lot or something like that. And it's a damn 92 Honda Civic. Already looking at it, we got faded ass paint. Look at the hood. What is this? Is that?
But what the hell, boy?
2 holes in the carpet down there. The interior looks pretty decent. A B16 stock, looks like it's got headers and a little intake on it. Irrelevant receipt that doesn't justify the price. And we got some people that's laughing at his ass already in the comment section because he wants $6,000 for this thing. 6K.
The fuck, man? What the fuck?
This right here is my old EG hatch, man. I used to be in the Honda gang. We all start from somewhere. This is my red EG hatch that I sold for $5,500 back then. Mint condition paint, red S2000 interior seats, custom back seats that were all red leather. Had a sound system in that. I was banging, boy. For my Mopar guys, y'all gonna have to get your boy out here with this 2015 Scat Pack, wanting $45,000 with this cardboard square ass wide body kit on the side of it. Could have literally went with a OEM wide body and it would have looked so much better, but he wanted to add this boxy style ass wide body kit. You got a gap right there on the front. It just don't look right.
What the
2015? You want 45K for this? Go get a 2019 for damn near the same price. You can go get a new one. And then I'm reading the description. All it has is quad tips, a roll cage painted to match. What do you need a roll cage in this for? It doesn't even have any mods. You didn't even open the hood. You didn't even show nobody under the hood. The fitment looked like you rolling on Skittles. Come on,
what
man.
The hell, boy?
What is this? What is this blasphemy right here, bro? You gotta get your boy out here. Like, the car has the potential to look good. Like, there's nothing really necessarily wrong with it, but that kit gotta go. That kit for 45K? God, you tripping, dog. You out of there. You out of there. And then I can't stand you got a roll cage in there for no reason. Oh my, it's a boat. That motherfucker not finna flip. If it's gonna do anything, it's gonna crash. You gonna run over any goddamn thing in the way. Come on, man. So this is gonna be the last one right here. The final one on Marketplace Madness for today. As you can see, we got a Ranger Danger here, man. Like, for real, in danger. This one's in danger. Like, these are like my favorite trucks. I've already told you guys this. I actually sold my old headlights to an older guy yesterday, and I cleaned them up for him. And man, like, the Ranger community is great, but what the fuck is this? The 97 Ranger, $5,200 for this, with the damn Need for Speed Fast and Furious body kit on the Ranger. Ernesto, my guy, where did you get this kit from? He got the Ranger badge on the front grille. Hold on, those wheels actually look pretty clean. What are those wheels?
Boy,
those
if you don't
wheels are like a newer Ford truck wheels. They're actually pretty clean. Plate covered up by the fingertip. Ooh, we got the 70s boy seats in this butt. Those seat covers. Boy, he got that dash in this thing. Boy, he got the LCD, probably LCD screen in there. Goddamn Samsung tablet. These seats, my guys. What is this? I'm surprised he ain't got a disco ball at the top of the light. There's no description of it at all. He didn't even write a description. If you guys don't understand Spanish, it's a 4-cylinder. Whoever bought this, man, let me holler at you real quick, man. Give me a badge. Give me a badge. Whoever bought that one, let me holler at you real quick. 5,200. I bought my truck for less than this. Mine is also a 2003. It's newer, less miles, super fucking clean. Unless you want to go buy this Fast and the Furious. Oh my god, bro. I'm out, man.
And we've got a hint that there's a really riced out car on this street. On this very street, a riced out car. Us rice hunters, our job is to find these rice faggots and crack their asses. Oh my god, there it is, dude. Oh shit, it's got flames, spoiler, offset. Oh.
The fuck, man? What the fuck?
Oh yeah, just in case any of you guys wanted that Civic that was on the last episode for 12K, it's at 10K now if you guys want to buy it. No? All right.